Hi, this is Nickie with the Mandel Public Library of West Palm Beach, and today we're going to draw our hand in 3D. So get your paper and your pencil ready. Let's do it! 3D hand drawings. The supplies that you're going to need are notebook paper, your hand of course, a pencil, a marker, an eraser, a rolled up piece of paper for shading, a paper towel, and you're also going to need a ruler or any straight edge will work. Let's get started. Place your hand on your notebook paper parallel to the page. Take your pencil and trace around the outside of your hand. Great. The next thing we'll do is we're going to start drawing lines. The lines on your notebook paper. Go ahead and grab your pencil and trace over these lines. By tracing over these lines, it will give us a great contrast between the background and your hand. Be sure to skip over each finger when tracing the lines. And proceed down the page, skipping over each finger and down the hand. Now let's take our marker. We're going to trace over the edges of the hand. You're going to proceed around each finger, tracing over carefully. Great. The next part, you'll take your pencil and we're going to start the 3D effect. Let's zoom in a bit. Starting from the left to the right, along the line of the notebook paper, create an arch over each finger. You can do this from the bottom of the top or the top of the bottom. Repeat the same technique over every finger and the hand. Don't be afraid to make a mistake at this point. You can change that. Make any adjustments at this point. Alright, let's get our marker back out. Now carefully, we're going to start from the left to the right again, over each finger, making our final arches. Let's make sure we have our supplies right here. Our pencil, our rolled up paper for shading, and our eraser. Go ahead and erase any of those pencil lines inside of your hand at this point. Take a paper towel and wipe away all those eraser lines. Alright, let's get ready to shade. This is just a piece of paper rolled up. We're going to use it just for smudging and shading around the edges. Start on the right side of each finger on the outside of the line and go ahead and draw in a darker line just outside. This will start our shading and will give us great perspective on that 3D look. After doing each finger, just go inside the lines and do a lighter shading technique. Take your rolled up piece of paper, place your finger on it, and do small circular patterns over your pencil shading areas. Can you see how that blends in to give us more of a 3D effect? Great. Now we've done one side, we're going to do a small bit of shading on the left side of each finger. On the inside of the line this time, do some light shading all the way around the hand. On the left side and the left side of each finger. I like to add a little shading on the top of my hand as well. Get your rolled up paper and smudge those shading areas on the left side. Don't forget your wrist. Wow, look at that. Okay, and let's do some highlights. You take your eraser and on the top portion of each finger, right in the middle, we're going to lighten it up just a little bit where we shaded. You can press a little harder with the eraser to take more off. Take your paper towel and wipe away your eraser marks. And there you have it. There's our 3D hand drawing. Like and share. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial of 3D hand drawing. So next week we will be doing an upcycle project. So collect your boxes, your toilet paper rolls, and any kind of upcycled material. And we're going to be making art and craft supply organizing boxes. So tune in next week. So this is Nickie with the Mandel Public Library. I hope you enjoyed this art and craft video. We will be here every week for the next 9 weeks. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.